Hi, my name's Adam Bray of South Plains Implement. Welcome to another edition of CUTclips. We're going to talk about the home maintenance packages that we have for 1 through 5 series tractors. You can get these at all of our parts departments. Prices start at $160 and go up from there depending on what model tractor you have. This kit that we sell has everything that you need to take care of your tractor at home, from filters, oil, you've got grease, a grease gun, a catch pen, a funnel, even a set of roll of paper towels. And keep this in mind, it's an easy kit to get and keep at your house to keep your tractor running well. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.